Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. In today's video, we're diving into the world of construction tools, exploring 20 essential tools that you can easily find online and highlighting their uses and why they're worth having in your toolbox. Flaring Toolset. The flaring toolset is designed for producing precise flares on copper, brass, and aluminum pipes with a wall thickness of up to 1 millimeter. It includes a flaring bar, flaring cone, and a pipe cutter, making it a complete solution for pipe preparation. Ideal for refrigeration and air conditioning applications, this set ensures accurate and reliable connections for efficient system performance. F170N. The F170N hydraulic cutter is a powerful tool designed for demanding industrial applications, including demolition and dismantling projects. Built with a wide 170 millimeter blade opening, it can cut through iron beams, steel profiles, metal pipes, and industrial electrical cables with precision and ease. Its hydraulic scissor design ensures clean, efficient cuts that improve productivity and reduce processing times. Carton Box Lifter. The Aardwolf Carton Box Lifter is a practical and efficient solution for lifting and moving heavy or bulky carton boxes with ease. Designed to minimize manual handling, it allows workers to transport boxes safely and quickly, reducing the risk of strain or injury. Its sturdy construction ensures durability and reliable performance in warehouses, factories, and logistics operations. High-pressure washer. The high-pressure washer offers 1,800 watts power, 90 bar rated pressure, and up to 135 bar max pressure for tackling stubborn dirt and grime. Delivering a steady 5.5 liters per minute water flow, it features a durable aluminum pump and a 5-meter pressure hose, ensuring efficient, long-lasting performance and easy reach for thorough and effective cleaning. Twister. Twister enhances safety and efficiency when lifting and moving stone or glass sheets. Compatible with Aardwolf lifters, forklifts, and truck cranes, it lets operators handle tasks independently. Using a radio frequency remote with a 100-meter range, it enables full 360-degree slab rotation for precise positioning. Autonomous Painting Robot. The Okibo Autonomous Painting Robot is an advanced solution designed to automate wall painting and finishing tasks on construction sites. Equipped with intelligent navigation and obstacle detection, it can operate safely in dynamic environments, adapting to uneven surfaces and complex layouts. The robot applies paint with precision and consistency, reducing material waste and ensuring a high-quality finish. TSE180. The TSE180 is a lateral tilting extension that supports tiles during and after splitting, preventing pieces from falling. It enables a single operator to work safely and efficiently, improving workflow. Easy to install or remove on single or connected benches, it tilts down when unused, ensuring precise, practical, and reliable tile cutting. ICS 890 Diamond Chainsaw. The ICS 890 Diamond Chainsaw is a robust hydraulic cutting system. Its redesigned rear handle offers improved durability and user comfort, while the easily replaceable drive sprocket ensures minimal downtime and efficient maintenance. Engineered to exceed industry standards, this powerful and reliable cutter delivers exceptional performance for heavy-duty cutting applications, combining strength, precision, and long-lasting durability in a sleek, professional design. K770 Disc Cutter with Vac Attachment. The Husqvarna K770 Vac is a lightweight, powerful disc cutter designed for dry cutting with built-in dust control. It connects easily to a 2-inch hose, efficiently directing dust to an external extractor. With a 300 millimeter blade and a 122 millimeter cutting depth, it delivers near 14-inch performance while remaining easy to handle at just 11 kilograms. Ideal for clean, efficient, and safe cutting on demanding jobs. S5N Clamp. The S5N Clamp is the ultimate solution for securing accessories to 1-inch nail strip standing seam metal roof panels. Its revolutionary design features an innovative insert that prevents set screws from penetrating the roof panel, a common issue with this style of roof, while delivering exceptional clamping force. Engineered for strength and reliability, the S5N is perfect for heavy-duty applications, such as color guard snow retention systems and other demanding attachments. Lamellar grinding discs. Lamellar grinding discs shape and finish porcelain tile and slab edges with precision. Featuring 100% diamond blades, they deliver high material removal, smooth operation, and flawless finishes. Available in 60, 120, and 200 grits, they suit wet or dry use. Their durable, high-quality design ensures long life and consistently excellent results. Freund seam opening pliers. The Freund seam opening pliers are specifically designed to unlock double-lock standing seam profiles with ease. Featuring an aggressive underbite design, they slide under the panel seam and provide strong leverage, allowing users to open seams quickly and efficiently. Ideal for roofing and sheet metal work, these pliers offer durability and reliable performance on the job site. Mobile jib crane. The mobile jib crane is a compact, versatile lifting solution for precision work in production and assembly. With an electric lifting cylinder, it offers millimeter accuracy for delicate tasks. Slewing 90 degrees both ways and just 800 millimeters wide, it navigates tight aisles easily. The UPC 235 handles loads up to 235 kilograms via a steering drawbar. Electric stair climber. The electric stair climber efficiently transports heavy loads up and down stairs with minimal effort. With a 200-kilogram capacity, it features automatic edge braking, a 48-volt 12-amp-hour lithium battery, and a 48-volt 400-watt motor, climbing up to 29 stairs per minute. Its lightweight foldable aluminum frame makes it ideal for tight spaces. Hilti coring system. The Hilti coring system is a cordless diamond coring machine for handheld or rig-mounted use. Suitable for concrete, masonry, asphalt, and wood, it features electronic gears for optimized RPM and torque, boosting drilling performance. Bluetooth connectivity integrates water management and vacuum data into a real-time display, ensuring efficient, simplified operation. Reciprocating saw. Reciprocating saw is a powerful and versatile tool designed for faster, smoother cuts in metal, nail-embedded wood, and other materials. Powered by neuron batteries, it delivers high output without compromising handling comfort. Advanced ergonomics, including up to 26% lower vibration through active vibration reduction, improved balance, and an integrated LED light, make prolonged use easier and more comfortable. Stationary pipe beveling machine. The PRO40 PBS is a stationary pipe beveling and facing machine for pipes, tanks, and tubes from 200 millimeters to 1,000 millimeters. Its high-speed rotary milling head with replaceable inserts delivers bevels up to 45 millimeters at 0 degrees to 60 degrees. Handling pipes up to 10,000 kilograms with optional rollers, it's ideal for precise, heavy-duty industrial applications. Weld milling machine. The weld milling machine is a portable, heavy-duty tool for removing weld seams up to 11 millimeters high and 30 millimeters wide. It mills surfaces smooth for painting, coating, or processing without heat distortion. Featuring a powerful motor, electronic speed control, and a rotary face milling head with 5 two-sided inserts, it ensures efficient, consistent performance. 35-foot drain auger. The 35-foot drain auger is a powerful, versatile tool for clearing heavy-duty clogs in pipes up to 3 inches. Compatible with 1/4 inch and 5/16 inch cable drums, it works on sinks, showers, toilets, and main stacks. Its enclosed drum ensures mess-free operation, while the ergonomic, portable design provides comfortable, efficient use. Mobile workstation. Mobile workstation is a 2-in-1 solution converting between workbench and cart. The 42-inch by 22-inch wood surface supports 400 pounds, offers 4-sided edge clamping, and mounts miter saws or tools. In cart mode, its steel frame, 19-inch skid plate, and 10-inch all-terrain wheels handle 300 pounds for smooth transport. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helps you find the right tools for your next project and makes your construction work easier and more efficient. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our future videos on tools, tips, and DIY hacks.